71.5. That is our inner diameter.
Tamang pagpili ng gravity disc gamit ang nomogram. Sumusuka ba ang purifier nyo? Panay ba alarma? Pwes, tapusin mo tong vlog na to at sure ako matutulungan kita sa problema mo. Hi, ako nga pala si Jellard Rodriguez. Isa po akong chief engineer, entrepreneur, at minsan isa din akong instructor. At meron na akong 14 years of experience na pagtratrabaho sa barko. Naalala ko dati, nung oiler pa ako, nahihirapan talaga akong mag-intindi ng system ng fuel oil. Especially na yung sa purifier side, hirap talaga akong umintindi niyan. Mapa Alfa Laval man, o Mitsubishi, o kahit Westphalia. Yung mga maker na ganun, hirap talaga akong intindihin yung system na yon. Ang problema ko, lagi akong naaalarmahan ng back pressure. Naapawan din ako ng sludge. At kada inspection ko sa hole during my duty time, ay nakikita ko lagi may sludge na naglilik o in short, sumusuka. So ang naging solusyon ko sa problema na yon, since oiler pa ako at hindi pa pressure sa mga pag-aaral dahil wala pang obligasyon, binasa ko yung troubleshooting sa instruction manual. At inalam ko lahat ng trabaho o basic principle ng every parts ng purifier. Kaya, simula nun, pag may alarma o trouble sa purifier, ay nakakatulong na ako sa mga engineer. May ilang beses nga, nung sa duty ko, nung time na yun, may umalarma sa purifier. At nung nireport ko sa kapartner ko na engineer, sinabihan niya na lang ako na, if kaya ko, i-rectify ko na lang daw. Kaya ang ginawa ko yung best ko, mga nalalaman ko, doon na-apply ko lahat. Kaya simula nun, sabi ng mga engineer ko, tatawag na lang daw ako pag hindi ko kaya. So subukan ko daw muna kung ano daw yung makagawa ko. Kaya doon ko din na-build yung sarili ko, yung bang tinatawag na self-confident. Doon na-build ko talaga yung self-confident na yon na mag-engineer na kasi na-experience ko yung mga trabaho nila. Kaya shout out sa mga engineer na ganun na hindi madamot sa mga nalalaman nila. Sana dumami pa yung mga katulad nyo. So ngayon, punta na tayo sa ating main topic na kung paano ang tamang pagpili ng gravity disc gamit ang nomogram. At ang mag-e-explain pala sa video ito ay ang aming magaling na port engineer na si Maiko Ibanez.
Hello everyone. Today I will show you on how to select gravity disc using our nomogram. First, we must have the lab test result and also the nomogram. As you can see in our nomogram, you can see the specific gravity, the separating temperature, and the feed rate. So let's start. Specific gravity. Based on our lab test report, our specific gravity is 0.9459. So let's write it down. Just convert to 0.95. Then our separating temperature, go to the next page. According to our lab test report, our separating temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. So write it down. And then last, our feed rate. So when we talk about feed rate, it is 110% of our daily consumption. Here I already showed the solution. So our daily consumption is 17.5 metric tons. So the 110% of our daily consumption, which is 17.5, is 19.25 metric tons.
Isa nga pala, baka magtaka kayo kung bakit 110% yung binasihan namin sa daily consumption, kasi pag 100% lang yung babasihan is mangyayari sa service tank nyo is hindi magdadagdag o tataas yung level. Yung sakto lang talaga siya sa consumption. Kaya ginawa namin 110%. So mostly naman talaga ganun 110% of daily consumption para hindi po tayo maubusan ng fuel.
So in our feed rate, we have a unit of liters per hour. So this 19.25 metric tons, we need to convert it to liters per hour. How? So we will use the triangle method. As you can see, this is metric tons. We need to convert it to cubic meter. So we'll just cover it. So the formula is metric tons divided by SG. Now we already have given of metric tons and SG. So our metric tons is 19.25 metric tons and our SG is 0.95. 19.25 divided by 0.95 equals 20.263 cubic meter. So still cannot. We need to convert it to liters per hour. So write it down, 20.263 cubic meter. 1 cubic meter equals to 1,000 liters. So cancel. 20.263 times 1,000 liters is equal to 20,263 liters. That is per day. So we'll convert it to per hour. 20,263 liters. So in one day we have 24 hours. So cancel. 20,263 liters divided by 24 hours is equals to 844 liters per hour. So now we already have feed rate. So we will write it down. 844 liters per hour. Now our given is already complete. We have specific gravity, spiriting temperature, and also feed rate. Now we will start plotting. So our SG is 0.95. So we will plot this one here, 0.95. And our separating temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. So separating temperature 80 degrees Celsius here. Then connect it to 0.95 here. Then draw horizontal line towards 100. Then last is our feed rate. So our feed rate is 844 liters per hour. So this is 500, 600, 700, 800. So 844, let's say here. Then last, we will connect it. Just draw a straight line. Now, as you can see, it intersects here in 71.5. That is our inner diameter. So our answer of this given is 71.5 side diameter. So that's it guys on how to get the correct size of our gravity disc using nomogram. Okay guys, I hope you learned something today, and before this video ends, I just want to say thank you of Victoria Harbor officers and crew from Deck Department, and Galley Department. And shout out to Captain Brandares, Chief Engineer Emilio, Captain Pardo, and also last to our Chief Engineer, Jelor Rodriguez. Sir, thank you for inspiring and also sharing your knowledge with us. Thank you for all your good doing here in Victoria Harbor. You are very appreciated. And sa lahat ng nanonood nito, sa mga kaibigan ko at sa mga aspiring engineers, please follow Engineer. Keep it chill, Lord. I can assure you that you will learn something more, especially in computations. That's all guys.
So, bakit nga ba namin to sinishare sa inyo? So, actually, ang point lang talaga namin is ma-share namin sa mga baguang engineer na naghahanap din ng sagot gaya namin dati. Hindi naman talaga kasi tayo pare-parehas ng mga experience at mga pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Kaya sa mga kapwa naming marino dyan, nahirap din sa pag-intindi at mga wala ding nagtuturo dahil hindi maganda yung samahan sa barko, andito po kami. At ini-invite ko po kayo na sumali sa aming FB group page na ang pangalan is Marine Engineering Online Class. Take note po na pag sumali kayo rito, libre po ang pagsali. So mag-join lang kayo at marami kayong matutunan at mga impormasyon about sa ating mga trabaho. Kaya samahan nyo ako dito at magtulungan tayo at padamihin natin ang mga engineer o mga seaman na mayroong positive mindset. Okay? Ayos ba? Sabi nila, sharing is caring. But also builds connection and inspire others to chase their dreams. So huwag kalimutan, kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, please follow, like, or subscribe. At sana nakatulong din itong video na to sa mga katanungan mo. Hi, ako nga pala ulit si Jelor Rodriguez at laging nagsasabi na success is always a choice. So choose to be successful. Bye-bye!